after negative start, Sensex surges past 1000 points. Nifty up over 300. The Nifty index gained more than 23,707.45 or 1.15%, up after opening down 35.35 points or 0.15%, while the BSE Sensex also surged more than 950 points to reach 78,007.5 by mid-session, gaining plus 950.76 or plus 1.27%. Indian stock markets turned around on Thursday after a negative start in the morning session. The market surged around 1% by mid-session due to a strong domestic structural story and FPI buying. The Nifty index gained more than 250 points to 23,707.45 or 1.15%, up after opening down 35.35 points or 0.15%, while the BSE Sensex also surged more than 950 points to reach 78,007.5% by mid-session, gaining plus 950.76 or plus 1.27%. Ajay Bagga, banking and market expert, told ANI Indian held up well in the post-April 2 sell-off. There has been a positive re-rating of the Indian markets in view of the domestic structural story and lack of external sector fragility. FPIs have turned net buyers this week on the back of re-rating, rupee strength and forward outlook of a resilient Indian corporate sector. A normal to above normal monsoon forecast has strengthened the domestic consumption story. Add to that the monetary easing and the ample domestic liquidity injected by the RBI. This is helping the financial conditions and the market sentiment both in the sectoral indices except Nifty, IT, all other sector stocks surged into the green territory. Nifty banking just led in gains with the private bank index gaining more than 1.3%, while other sectors also showed signs of recovery. Nifty IT also reduced the gap and was down by 0.95% at the time of filing this report. As in the opening, it had declined more than 2%.